Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how can you install Android apps using Bluestacks in your PC. So although in Windows 11 you can install Android apps through the Amazon App Store, but it's not available for every countries. So I will show you the way that you can do it using Bluestacks, and it's suitable for everyone. Let's get started. Okay, so first go to your browser, and then I'm going to search for Bluestacks. So click on download Bluestacks, and then now you can download Bluestacks from the link below. Okay, so open the installer and run it. Okay, so now you need to allow it, and now click install now and agree to the terms of condition. Okay, so now it's downloading. It might take for a minute. So if you have any topics or any videos that you suggest me to do, please leave it down in the comment section below. If this video helps you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for supporting me. After the installer finishes installing, the emulator will begin to launch automatically. So I'm going to close Chrome, and then you can see that I'm encountering an error. So I'm going to close it first, and then I'm going to open BlueStacks 5 again. So now go to the settings, and then now change the graphic settings, okay, from OpenGL to DirectX, and save the changes and restart the emulator. Okay, so now it may take some time for it to restart. Okay, so now it's starting again. Okay, so you can see that it started up very successfully, and there are no errors now. Okay, so now go to the home page, and now go to System Apps and click Play Store, and now you can sign in here. Okay, so now it begins to check, and then the sign-in page is beginning to load. Okay, so now enter your email address. And now enter your password. And agree to the terms. Okay, I'm going to turn off backup. I'm going to turn it off, then click accept. Okay, so now Play Store is loaded. So I'm going to try to download some apps for testing out. Okay, so I'm going to try with Honor of Kings. Then click here to download and install it. So it might take some time for it to download. Please share with me if you have any games that you want to play on the PC, or why do you want to download BlueStacks on your PC to run Android apps. If this video helps you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so now it's installed. Let's play it. Okay, now I'm going to close this. So BlueStacks is providing some tips, so you can see that what are features that you can do on the sidebar here. Okay, so now Honor of Kings is downloading and updating the game resources. So it might take some time here and downloading. Okay. Okay, you can see that the app crashes just now. So what you need to do is just open it again. It's definitely very normal for an app on Bluestacks to crash for the first time. Okay, so now it's loading again. Okay, so I'm going to skip the tutorial, and then now you can adjust your settings here. Okay, enter the game, and then I'm going to choose advanced. Okay, so you can claim this rewards for your first time for playing this game. And then, okay, so I'm not going to show the gameplay here. So you can see that the app is successfully running on the Bluestacks emulator. So if you have any questions, please leave down the comment section down below, and give me a like and subscribe to the channel if this video helps you a lot. And I'll see you next time.